My name is Andy Mark. I'm with Lufkin Gears out of Lufkin, Texas. I'm based in Houston, Texas. I'm the Americas sales leader. Got responsibility for North America and Latin America. We design and manufacture gears out of two factories, Lufkin, Texas and Fougerolles, France. We manufacture gears for various applications: oil and gas, power generation, for mining, for sugar, steel. You think about any industrial application, we're in it. We produce both new units for packagers, OEMs, and we also sell services, repairs, parts, what we call drop-ins or replacement gears, and we have a field service organization.